This project highlights an industrial HVAC upgrade for a commercial building in Santa Ana, California, near John Wayne Airport. The project involved upgrading rooftop air conditioning equipment, including the installation of a new 21-ton air conditioning unit. A rooftop unit of this size is not a simple equipment swap. It directly affects electrical demand, mechanical distribution, and structural loading. Creative Design Partners provided full MEP engineering services to support this HVAC upgrade. Mechanical load verification and system sizing were performed to ensure the new unit was properly matched to the building's industrial use. Electrical engineering coordination was required to address new equipment power requirements and integration with the existing electrical system. The mechanical distribution was reviewed and coordinated to ensure proper integration with the existing rooftop HVAC layout. Creative Design Partners also prepared California Title 24 energy compliance documentation and calculations for this project. Permit-ready construction documents were developed to support the City of Santa Ana plan check and approval. This project reflects Creative Design Partners' approach to industrial HVAC upgrades, focused on proper engineering, code compliance, and constructability. If you are planning an industrial or commercial HVAC upgrade and need reliable MEP engineering and California Title 24 energy compliance support, Creative Design Partners is ready to assist. To discuss your project, visit our website, send us an email, or contact us directly.